back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Palladio x Casey Holmes matte lipsticks. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. I purchased the limited edition box. This was $30, and when you open it up, I love this envelope looking box. It is made out of cardboard. I have the 3 shades here, and then right here at the bottom it says Palladio x Casey Holmes. These are the 3 shades that she did come out with, and it does come with a little signature card. It says Casey Holmes. Here's a little message that she did write, which is really cute. And this box was $30. Each of them retail for $10 each, so I thought, why not get the limited edition box as well? I mean, it's $30. I'm getting 3 of them. It's $10 a piece, so why not? I think I will keep the box just to keep it as a presentation up on my vanity. These are the 3 lipsticks that she did come out with. She came out with the shade Georgia, Obsessed, and then Rescue. So let's go ahead and start with the swatches. This is what the packaging does look like for the shade Georgia. I haven't even opened this up. It's still got the little sticker on it. Here's what the doe foot applicator does look like. It is double-sided. This is 1 coat of the shade in Georgia. Let's apply another layer to see if we can get more pigmentation. Here's 2 coats of the shade Georgia on my lips. It's not completely dry, so I'm going to wait until it dries up. I'm not a fan of this lipstick color. It doesn't suit my skin complexion, but I do like the formula so far. There isn't a fragrance to this matte liquid lipstick. Here's a closer look of the shade Georgia. I really do like the formula. It does sit comfortably on the lips. So it looks like the shade Georgia has completely dried. Not bad. Not a lot of product did come off. I'm starting to like this shade, so let's see what the other shades do look like. I was attempting to remove the shade Georgia from my lips, and these shades do not budge. I'm just using a regular makeup wipe. I'm just going to use my Tatcha One-Step Cleansing Oil. The shade in Georgia was really hard to remove. When Casey said that these lipsticks won't budge, they really won't budge. Use a cleansing oil if you guys are removing these lipsticks. Next shade is called Rescue. I've applied 1 coat in the shade Rescue on my lips. I think 1 coat is very pigmented. I am going to build it up to a 2nd layer. And this shade dried down pretty quickly. I've applied 2 coats of the shade Rescue on my lips. I really do love this lipstick shade. The shade in Rescue is definitely going to be one of my favorite shades. I know I'm going to gravitate towards this shade throughout the entire month of April. I like how these don't dry down fairly quickly. They do take about 30 seconds or so. And it looks like it's dried down now. So let's see if anything does come off. A little bit did come off, but you can still see that it's very pigmented on my lips. I will be doing a check-in at the end of the night to let you guys know how the formula did wear. I'm going to remove the shade Rescue from my lips, and then we're going to apply the last shade in Obsessed. The last shade in the collection is called Obsessed, and this is a berry shade. This is 1 layer of the shade Obsessed. I really do like how this shade in Obsessed is pigmented just like the shade in Rescue. With 1 layer, I think you're good. Let's just see what 2 layers looks like. Here you have 2 layers of the shade Obsessed. I will be going about my day just wearing the shade Obsessed. I won't be doing any touch-ups or anything, so I will leave this shade at home. I will check back in with you guys at the end of the night to let you guys know how the lipstick did wear throughout the day, and I will see you guys then. Hey guys, so it is the end of the night of me testing out the Casey Holmes x Palladio matte liquid lipsticks. This is what it's currently looking like. I did order these on Thursday and it did arrive on Monday. I really do like how pigmented it still is. I ate a lot of things today. I've been drinking a lot of water. It does sit comfortably on the lips. It doesn't feel like I am wearing anything on my lips. It's not drying at all. It's not clinging to any dry patches. I've been wearing this matte liquid lipstick for about 9.5 hours, going on 10 hours. I really do think that this is a must-have staple in your lipstick collection. Casey, congratulations. You did an amazing collaboration with Palladio. I really do love these matte liquid lipsticks. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.